Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I think I'm probably going to make a swipe, but I want to put a layer of black paint down on my canvas first. Helpful if I did not leave my bottles in the way, but it's been a bottle in the way kind of day. All over the place. I want to use some Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. If I have too much paint, I will just grab a small container, like this dish, and scrape it off. That way I can use it to cover my edges should I need to. Now I have a small piece of heavy cotton t-shirt that has a little bit of hem on it that I've gotten damp and wrung out, ready to go. My pleasure lately has been using the spatula, so anything's possible. I could change my mind. I've got my extra paint. Usually I would try harder to get to my edges, like so. Let's go around there one more time. Now, this is going to be very strange, because I can't use my shovel the way I want to, because the canvas is not dry. I'm going to throw that in the bucket and grab another one. I am going to grab a shovel and put my neon pink. Oh, I just spilled a whole bunch of black paint. Some red metallic. I don't know who that from. That's from Folk Art. That's actually matte. This is a shimmering pink that I don't know. And that's my quinacridone magenta with some other color in it. So I'm just going to go, actually, all over the place. Do it again. And if there's another color I want, I had to contemplate it right now. And I think a little bit of my plugged up bottle of Purple Flash from Folk Art, which I used not 2 minutes ago. Alright, I'm going to try and get some of that in there. And I think I'm going to indulge myself, if I can find it, in some Venetian blue. And I'm very tempted to give this a bit of a tip, because I can, maybe a little more Venetian blue, just to clear out my shovel. Gorgeous colors. Really loving those colors. I'm trying to keep a less complicated palette. And even though I'm saying that to you right now, I'm looking at that turquoise going, I wonder if that'd be good in there. So let me grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and take all the rest of that paint right out of there. That was easy. I'm done. No, I'm kidding. So let's put those in the bucket. Give that a bit of a tip. See if I want to do something else. I'm really tempted by a little bit of orange. Let's see. No idea how this is going to work or what that was. I'm going to grab my gold. I really want this open, but I don't need it anymore, so I'll be good. Okay. So, I think I'm going to do a wavy swipe. And most of the time I tend to dip my rag into something, but this time I think I'm going to put the acrylic enamel black gloss from Folk Art. I'll cover my edge later. I'm going to wipe off my rag and flip it over. I go from a different direction, and I think I'm going to do that throughout. Let my rag fall right down over the edge. I'm going to hope I can get away with using the same rag. I may go from 2 different directions at some point in time. I may leave what I've got dribbled and tilt. I think I'm going to rinse out my rag really quick. Since it's the same difference. Put some black down here. I like the randomness of the gold. I've been thinking about this for a while. I'm happy you guys are here to share it with me. I hope it works. So this is my rag. There's my hem. I'm going to roll up the top third of that before I dip it right in there. I want a little more black. I might even be interested in covering it to the corner there. The water helps the rag have the weight necessary to pull up and throughout. I'm kind of feeling like spatulaing. I'm not seeing exactly what I had in mind. That might be okay too. Alright, so it's a start. Is it going to become a chain pull or a basting brush? I'm throwing that in the bucket. I'm not super pleased. But it's kind of an off day for me, so I'm just going to grab something that makes sense to me. Pop a bubble. And I want to grab, yes I do, some orange. You know what I didn't put? I didn't put any of this other orange in here. And I really love that orange with the other one. I like the 2 orange colors together, yeah. I'm also very articulate today, as you can tell. So this time, I'm going to find a smooth piece of my card and put my black enamel right on it. I'm sort of counting on the black enamel to pop some cells. But if it doesn't, I'll figure out something else. I'm going to have to do a simple swipe pretty quick. So that's cool, and we've got a lot of cells, and I haven't even tried to use the torch yet. I'm going to throw that in the bucket. Figure I'll be covering my edges. Put my glasses actually on my face. Look and see if there's anything else. Ooh, that's beautiful with glasses on. Wow! I can't even believe I forgot them. So, I wonder if my airbrush will turn on. Cut. That was almost a disaster. Something is, I've never done this before, but I definitely wanted to try it. I like that red up there. I think a little bit down here would be good. I'm going to have to clean that paint off the floor pretty quick. Well, that's kind of neat. I'm loving all my cells. Let's try it with some gold. That's addictive. Okay, I see something else. Gotta be careful. Definitely get very close to destroying things you like, or even succeeding. So I like all that, and I wasn't liking it without my glasses, but now that I have my glasses on, I have tremendous cells, and lots of movement, and terrific energy, and nice colors. And I've got nothing to complain about. I'm going to use that skewer and that little puddle of gold down there. I'm going to torch really quick, tell you guys I have over 90,000 subscribers, and welcome if you're new. And if you want to watch some more videos, I have over 1,500. You can find them on my YouTube channel on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. They're organized by the 100 and by the genre. If I have anything else in here that I want to twist around, now is the time. And I do like to add spirals. That is my more than occasional go-to preoccupation. So I love you guys. I'm so glad you're here. And if I said that twice, that's okay. You got great cells. My wet rag is still making cells. You don't need the airbrush to get the cells. Probably don't need the airbrush at all, but it was fun trying it out for you guys my first time. Loving my colors. There's actual sort of dimension going on in there. Looks like it's aromatic. Looks like it has wonderful aroma. So please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Share my videos as you can if you're willing. That's all a big assistance to me. I really appreciate you watching longer, and if you watch when the notifications come out, not that I have any clue about that because I thought notifications got stopped, but if you're interested in being a student in my Facebook group, it's Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, and it's on the link tree underneath the video, and underneath the link tree you will also find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, and under the physical link tree you'll find my email address. Should you be interested in making a purchase, make a note of the hashtag that you saw in the title of the video. The date doesn't hurt either. Screenshots help, but as long as I have that number, I can find what you're after. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. That's also another way. I am just using my leftover black paint to touch up my edges, and I'm not unhappy that I have it, because I do need it. So what else should I tell you? Teespring clothing under the video is mine, and there's Oliver print leggings and Oliver print t-shirts and other stuff, cool stuff there. And should you ever see anything of mine artwork-wise that you'd like to see reproduced on an Oliver print t-shirt, or even on fineartamericanpixels.com, where there are like 1,400 products now, or close, somewhere in the neighborhood. And so pretty much anything that you see I can have added to my collections and reproduce. T-shirts, mugs, yoga mats, shower curtains, duvet covers, you name it, it's there. And what else? Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is where you can see the edited YouTube artworks, the ones that I have edited so far. Someday soon I'm just going to put all of them there. All of the wet ones, because I haven't finished. I don't know, I think I'm 500 behind on the dry finished photographs. They're taken, but they're not edited, so I can't really post them. They're too large. What else? What else? Tomorrow's video is on the community board, also on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. You will find my 2 books, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities on the Amazon link. When you shop the Amazon link, you are a huge assistance to me eventually, if enough of you do it, and that helps me with art supply money. If you are interested in, I'm almost done. If you're interested in contributing to the studio, you will be included into the monthly drawing, where you can see the prizes in that drawing on the exhibition video included on the last 20 seconds of all videos on the end screens. I think that's just about it, other than me giving you guys a close-up. I have just like 2 more fingerfuls of paint and I'm done. And go get my husband a birthday card, go to Michael's, restock my canvases, and that exceeded my expectations. I was a lot worried for a minute that it wasn't going to be something that I liked, and I really like it a lot. Thank you guys for coming and having some fun with me. Check that out. Those colors are outstanding. Let's see if I can. There's cells everywhere. I haven't done a wavy swipe in a long time. Not like this one. It goes on forever. There isn't a part of it that isn't pretty. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon, and hopefully tomorrow. Bye for now. Shh. Priscilla out.